Hey, Meg. Let's talk about sandwiches.
Yum.
How do you make your favorite sandwich?
Well, my favorite sandwich is called a BLT, bacon, lettuce, and tomato.
Ooh, that's so good.
Yeah, isn't it? It's very easy to make. First, slice the tomatoes, then toast the bread. Next, spread the mayonnaise on the toast. After that, fry the bacon. Then put everything together and add lettuce. Finally, cut the sandwich in half and serve it with chips or fruit.
Okay, that sounds great. Let me check. First, slice some tomatoes.
Right?
Then, get some lettuce.
You do need to get the lettuce, but after slicing the tomatoes, you should toast the bread.
Okay, so slice the tomatoes, toast the bread,
Right?
and then spread mayonnaise on the bread, on the toast.
Yep.
And then add the tomato and lettuce.
Mm-hmm.
And then, fry the bacon
Right.
and put the bacon on the lettuce and tomato
And the toast.
and the toast.
Yes.
I think I can do it.
You can do it. What about you? What's your favorite sandwich?
Oh, my favorite sandwich is really easy but a little unhealthy. It's a peanut butter and banana sandwich.
Ooh, sounds delicious.
So, similarly, first toast some bread,
Mm-hmm.
and then spread peanut butter on one piece of toast.
Uh-huh.
Then cut up a banana into big slices.
Big slices.
Then put the slices of banana on the peanut butter,
Mm-hmm.
and then put the other toast over the bananas.
Okay.
So put the sandwich together.
Right.
It's so delicious.
Wow, it sounds pretty easy. Let's see if I can remember. So first, toast the bread.
Yes.
Then spread peanut butter on one slice of toast.
Yes.
After that was cut the banana into big slices.
Mm-hmm.
And finally, put the second piece of toast on top of the sandwich.
Got it.
That's it?
That's it.
Great.
It's so good.
I can't wait to try it.
And I can't wait to try the BLT.